Hello everybody. In this lessons, we are going to create line charts. Line charts are most frequently used charts in MS Excel. These are used to chart time series data to show trends of certain things. Say for example, sales trend over a period of time. Or we can say that tourist footfalls in India over a period of time. We can compare this in day, in months and in year as well. Okay. Line charts are of different types. This could be simple line charts. This could be also stack line charts and 100% line charts. And all these line charts mentioned along with markers. Markers are basically the dots or circle to show the actual values. Let us see all these charts. Let us see. So this is the data that we are also using in the previous lesson when we are creating column and bar charts. Okay. Suppose I want to create a line chart. So we have, you see, we have some time series data like January, February, the March, April, May, June up to December. We have the data, and we want to see the trend line, whether the ticket sale for a particular genre, say for example, comedy and thriller, is in increasing trend. Trend is there is a increasing trend or declining trend. Let us see. So let us select. Suppose for the first 5 months, let us see. So first what we need to do, we have to select data. Then we have to go for insert. Then you see there are line charts, line or area charts, and we can also see here also. There will be also line and area charts. Area charts option is there. Here also line charts. So both the we can do. We can do. We can chart. Then let us see. So you see, this is a simple line chart. This is stacked line chart. Stacked line chart means data is stacked on top of each other. Okay. This is called 100% stacked line charts. We have seen also in the previous lesson, that means everything is shown as 100%. This is called marker, line with marker. This is stacked line with markers, and this is called 100% stacked line with markers. Let us see. You can see. So this blue color line, this represents comedy, and this orange color line represents thriller. And what does it reflect? In the 5 months, there is a declining trend for comedy. What does it mean? That means viewers are not preferring to watch comedy. Whereas there is one increasing trend of thrillers. You can see there is an increasing trend. It is slightly, it's increase. If you see the data here, you can see also this is 49,000. This is also reducing 47,000. This is 40,000. This is 37. There is one declining trend. But here also you can see thriller, it is 12,000, 16,000, 15,000, slightly decline, and this is 18,000, 24,000. Therefore, there is an increasing trend. This, if you see, this line chart is basically used to show a certain kind of trend or to understand the certain kind of trends. What is the trend? Or it could be sales trend, it could be also tourist footfalls, or similar kind of things. Okay, let us see the other one, that is called, let us once again, let us select the data, insert line. This is you can see, this is here. If you see the y-axis, this is 10,000 orange color. This is thriller is at the 10, just above 10,000 or 12,000, something like that, 12,838. Okay, but here it is something around 62,000. Why this is happening? Because it is stacked on comedy. Okay, this comedy, if you see comedy, it was at 50 something, or it is close to 50. You can see it is 49,835. If you see, okay, it is 49,835. It is also the same thing here. Okay, but if you see, it is declining. This is 32,910. it is also reflecting the same thing, but here you can see this is 12,000 something, but here it is 24,932. You see here. So this is the value is remains the same, 12,838. Here it is value 24,932. But here you can see it is above 60,000, close to 62,000. Why it is happening? Because the value is stacked on comedy. Therefore, it is close to 50,000 and this is 12,000. It is close to 62,000. Therefore, it is happening here. Okay. So let us see the another kind of charts. Once again, let us select data, insert line charts. You can see this is now the percentage. This is now the percentage. You can see percentage means everything has been taken as a percentage. 100% means for January it is 100%, February it is 100%. So normally in a time series data you will find time dimensions in x axis. So here you can see March, April, this is 100%. Instead of values here in y axis, it is reflecting what it is reflecting. It is percentage. It is reflecting. Okay, that means the January data. If you see this 49,000, 12,000, 49,835, and 12,838. These are taken as 100%. Okay, and similarly here 47,232 and here 16,828. This is also 100%. This is also 100%. This is also 100%. This is also 100%. Therefore, the totality across the month this has become 100%. Okay. So let us see another kind of charts that is called marker. Okay. Insert. Here this is marker, you can see. So this is the dot. This is nothing but this is the dot. Okay, this dot has been highlighted. So the difference here, the simple here, if you see here, this is the charts. The difference is that this is the simple line chart, this is also simple line chart, but here there are circles or the dots are there. This is the difference we are having. And we can also see the same thing, markers, insert line charts. This is what it is, stacked line charts. You can see this is stacked. This ruler is stacked on comedy. Okay. Similarly, we can also see another kind of charts here. Marker we can also use. This is 100%. This is taken as 100%. Okay. So basically, what this in what context this line size chart is prepared? Basically, when we have time series data and we want to see certain kind of trends, whether the trend is declining or increasing. Okay. For this is normally used. That's for the lesson. See you in the next one.